Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up to Grammarly using the Grammarly application on your mobile device. So let's get started. Open up the Grammarly application on your mobile device, and then once you end up in this welcome screen, you can then go ahead and sign up for a new account. While signing up for a free account, you can continue signing up with Apple, Google, or with an email. I'm going to show you by signing up with email. To do so, tap on Continue with Email and click the Continue button in the pop-up. In the sign-up form, type down an email address, create a password, and enter a name for yourself. After filling the details, tap on Agree and sign up. Right after you do that, you will then be able to sign up for Grammarly. Now you're ready to improve your writing and take advantages of Grammarly's advanced writing assistance. That is how it's easily done. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Apps Academy for more tutorials like this. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.